press the mode button, you're gonna move to Digim, I don't know what it means, and then you press it again. Then it goes to the fullest. Now you can change the 16 is the lowest, and then you press up button, keep changing. So you work the mode bottom.